guys, what's up? It's me, 𝐂𝐈𝐆𝐒. Hope you guys are all blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Wowafrican, and if you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box below where I will have all the details and links located. Now here is the wig that I picked up this time. This is this gorgeous ombre Yaki straight 360 lace wig. This is what it looks like. It has that dark brown ombre color. It has that gorgeous Yaki texture. It has the pre-plucked hairline, full high definition lace, clean bleached knots, and this is what it looks like, y'all. No work needs to be done. This is also a 360, so you can wear this wig in a ponytail if you choose to, and the back looks very realistic. As you guys can see, you have that full lace at the very back of the wig. Now, prior to me getting this wig on, I like to go in and just customize it just to where when I do put it on, it's ready to go. It's easy, it's looking nice and laid. So I'm going in with a little bit of gel and I'm just brushing back the perimeter of the hairline. I'm going to do the very same thing in the very back of the wig, just taking a little bit of hair gel, going to brush all of that up. Then I'm going to pull out some of the little wispies just to kind of give it that realistic look when I wear it up in a little ponytail. So while that gel is drying, I like to put a little elastic hair band just along the edges as well as in the back, just to kind of get that to dry nice and laid. In the meantime, while that's drying, I'm going to go in and just flat iron out this hair. I'm using a little bit of heat protectant, going to brush through it, and then I'm just going to use my flat iron to get this wig nice and straight. Just some details about this wig. Once again, this is their ombre 360 lace wig. It's in that dark brown ombre color. I do have this wig in the Yaki straight texture. This is high definition lace, 100% Indian human hair, and my wig is 20 inches long, 180% density. If you guys are interested in this unit, be sure to use my discount code, which is 𝐿ICIA40, to save $40 when you spend $259 or more, or use 𝐿ICIA15 to save $15 when you spend under $259. So I let the wig just sit and finish drying along the perimeter of the wig, and it's nicely flat ironed. You guys can see what this unit is looking like. You guys can see the very back. Now this is what everything looks like now that it's dry. Looks super realistic, super natural. I know this wig is going to be cute on. There is a quick little glimpse of the back, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this wig on. But prior to that, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the lace. You're going to want to take a really nice sharp pair of cutting shears and cut it all the way around the entire perimeter. Now the lace along the front perimeter is 100% high definition lace. It is a little too light for my skin tone, so as usual I like to go in using a little bit of foundation, especially in the back, because this is regular lace in the back of the wig. Whatever's left over on my brush, I'm just going to apply it along the front of the lace, and you guys can see what that looks like. It's a perfect match with my skin tone, so yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my stocking cap on. Y'all know I like to wear black stocking caps, and this is part of the reason why I do like to apply foundation to the lace, just to kind of get everything to look flush like. So this is the wig on. Y'all can see just how it just came together. It just no work at all. I just threw it on. It's ready to go. But I'm going to go ahead and get this wig glued down just to where I can properly be able to wear it in a little ponytail. So I'm going in with my 𝐻𝐈𝐑 glue, going to spray that along the entire perimeter of the wig, including the back. Now I did spray the back off camera just because I needed a little bit of help, from Alicia. Now I'm just going in with my blow dryer. Gonna go ahead and blow dry that. Then I'm gonna pop a little bit of my powder in the parting space just to allow that part to pop. Gonna clean it up with my hot comb just to get everything to look nice and flat on my head, just because it's been sitting on my canvas block. Didn't want to really take that shape onto my head. And you guys, this is what this wig is looking like. You can apply a little bit of powder just along the perimeter, just in case you have a little bit of got-to-be glue poking through. But for the most part, this is what this wig is giving. I love the color. I absolutely love this color so much. For whatever reason, I'm in my color era, and I just really love colored wigs on myself, especially being that this one is easy for those of you guys who feel like you can't pull off color. It's so subtle and it's just so natural looking. It almost looks like the sun literally kissed it, and just along the length of the hair, it has like that nice, gorgeous dark brown color. You guys can see the texture of this unit. It is so natural. It literally looks like a silk press on natural hair. I decided to go ahead and part this wig, put it in a side part, and you guys can see just the options that you have with this unit, because you have so much parting space. You can wear this in a deep side part, middle part. If you wanted to go full back, you can wear it like that. Now I want to put this wig up in a ponytail, just to where this wig can go full back, so you guys can see what it looks like without the part, but you guys can also see what the back is giving. Now I just went ahead and brushed everything back. Y'all know my hair is in a ponytail, so disregard the hump that you might see. Now with the help of the edge band, I just went ahead and applied that just to where the wig doesn't pop off. I went ahead and put this in a little updo bun, a really kind of messy, effortless bun. I kind of pulled out some wispies just along the perimeter and the back and the side and the front, just to give it like that lazy girl look. And you guys, get into this 360, how natural it looks. If you're going to church, if you're going to the gym, especially the gym, girls, if you guys are going to the gym, you can pop this in a ponytail and it looks so effortless and so natural. I'm so here for it. So I'm just going to show you guys just a quick little 360 so you guys can see all angles of this unit while it was up in a little ponytail. But once again, you guys do check out Wowafrican. I will have all the details located in the info section below. Now, once again, this is their ombre dark brown Yaki straight high definition 360 lace wig. My wig is 20 inches long, 180% density. This is a fitted glueless wig cap. It does have the large parting space, real high definition lace, clean bleached knots. This is 100% Indian human hair. All the details will be left in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. If you guys want to save $40 off of your purchases, be sure to use my code, which is Alicia40, when you spend $259 or more. And if you guys want to save $15 off of your purchases, be sure to use my discount code, which is Alicia15, to save $15 when you spend $259 or less. So once again, all the details and info will be left down in the info section below. You guys let me know what you guys think about this wig, and if you guys will be picking this one up for yourself, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.